Do I hear you say you're traveling?
So Dcc'S just dropped a product for your traveling accessories. One of the most important things you need to take with you when you're traveling. Yeah, I know you must have been seeing it, on the airplane. But it's very rare to see this kind of thing in a bus, like when you're traveling. Like us, that always travel through bus. We have not joined the airplane people. We are still using bus for now, but yes, so this is I don't change my voice again, grammar. So this is a neck pillow, a travel neck pillow. I told you that I've been seeing it, so I'm just going to put it on now. So the main gist is just to put it around your neck. Oh, I'm tired of this hair already. Okay, so you put it around your neck, like so. Then you tie. So this is how it looks like at the back. Many people that will be sleeping, and then the person beside you will be like, "Uncle, you are resting on me." That one will not happen with this neck pillow. Sure you get. It's not possible because this one will make you feel as if you are still in your house, because this one is pillow. Whenever you turn your head, it is balancing. Sure you get. Like this, like the very best product for traveling. Okay, so and we like doing our things specially. We like adding features that you're gonna love, and our clients deserves the best. So we have added a hood. I'm sure you must have been seeing it and all of that. See, the purpose of this hood is not only for fashion, where you be big boy, you just want time for your everyday go. No. It also serves a very important purpose. You see this? Just cross your hand like this and take light. See, some people they always open their mouths when they are sleeping. They don't always know. But you are traveling for 4 hours. Until you there, you have to sleep. Especially when there's no fine person beside you that you are forming for. You must sleep. Like this is the best. I'm kind of switching it and shifting it because I'm kind of sweaty. Yeah, but this is very, very comfortable for your travels. Yeah. It's so. It makes sense. Like we are the best. See, and this product, you guys, you must get it. Do you know why? Because your excuse are always that, oh, this girl's bright colors. I want Ankara with black. This Ankara with black. Come and get it. And you can also match it with your babe or your boo. This is perfect. At the garage. At the bus stop. Okweji. Guys, I want to know what you think. Tell me what you think. Let me just drop a comment. Enter my DM. Let me know what you think.